Let's recreate this image by Eggy.product.photo.g using your smartphone. Now, if you're familiar with the object, it is a can of Coke placed on a reflective surface. I'm going to use a screen from a 32-inch broken TV as my surface to reflect the can and the backdrop. Looking at the lighting from the highlights, there's a light at the bottom of the can separating the object from the background. There's a light below in between the background and the object. That should be the background light. Let's figure it out. Okay, the can is slightly different from the original image. The red background is set, light. The final elements, I can see some water elements around the image creating condensation. As usual, I'm using my Redmi to capture this. Let's have a look at the final output. I think it's close. This is to show you the importance of lighting and proper setup. Stop wishing, you too can try this simple exercise. For more smartphone content, like and follow for more.